What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, known as the Audio Cat. I want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. Pay attention to my Instagram. We have a big car meet that we're going to, a big car show with King Sleepo out in Arkansas at the end of this month. So stay tuned if we're going to go out there with the Viper. Just enjoy some good time, man. But today we're going to bring you a couple builds we have. But this one is the one in specific I want to share y'all with. So this one we're doing a sub upgrade on, which I've seen it on the channel before. It's definitely one of the cleanest Rams that is out here, man. She is amazing. But this is the girl that we're talking about. It's a 1969 Chevelle 454, and it's a real 454. I'll show you that in a minute. But this customer has been a customer of mine for a very long time. Today we're gonna be working on his audio build. He has some enclosures and some other stuff done. We're gonna go through this, add some sync mic in the rear deck, and do some audio build on this. This is an amazing car. Y'all don't know if y'all like these old schools, but this is a beast of a car, and I'll let y'all hear it very shortly. But today, Josh is gonna start tearing down on this one, adding sync mic to the rear deck, getting the vocals aligned, checking the bass, and doing a couple other little things on this build. So stay tuned if we get the tear down of this vehicle and get this car built. All right, guys, so I'm coming back here to see what Josh is gonna tell, but let me introduce you to the baby girl. So this is her, y'all. Complete 454, real 454. He has everything. He just did the fender wells on this one. He's really put some blood, sweat, and tears over the years. I've been dealing with this car for maybe about 5 years since he bought it, but he's really put a lot of money into it and making it a clean-ass car. So I can tell you that that is a gorgeous car. Let me go see what Josh is talking about. But look at the enclosure they did back there. And we're gonna make this sound a lot better, y'all. So stay tuned if we get this going. Let me see what Josh has got going on. Mr. J, what's going on, my brother?
You have to take this whole back seat out.
Huh?
You have to take the whole back seat out.
Well, let me tell you guys. So I'm showing you what's going on. Look at the rear deck of this car. We actually have the ostrich, simulated ostrich skin that he has here. Not gonna go on that rear deck to make it happen, and the foam's right there to get the foam on, but that's kind of the concept the customer wants, is have this in ostrich skin. We're gonna foam it out, and then obviously go ahead and add the material to it, get it wrapped in the same color he's looking for, to be able to get this to be the look that he has. So I'll show y'all as Josh starts building it, what it ends up being like as we build it. Y'all stay tuned. Hey guys, to give you an update what's going on the Chevelle. Over here you can see we got the panel already wrapped up in the ostrich skin, so that's already set. Now Josh is gonna get ready to start putting this back into the vehicle, and then we're gonna do a diagnostic on the whole audio system of the car to see what is going on with the audio, make sure everything is where it is, y'all, so stay tuned. All right guys, and just like that, y'all can see the rear deck is done. Sync mics are installed. That is ready to go. Now we're gonna do the tuning and get it sounding proper, get this delivered, y'all. So let me tell you, I haven't been able to bring y'all a vlog as much as I wanted to. It's been a crazy day, y'all. But I'm gonna show you what's going on. So we got the two, we ended up replacing these with two brand new H-Series Nemesis with a gloss carbon fiber. You can see that. We got the amplifier sitting over there. It's a Nemesis 2K, 3K, that's a 3K. We got the Diamond Audio 4-channel there. This one's done. And then we outfitted with the Alpines in the rear deck that the customer brought, but then we put our Nemesis Audio 5 1/4 here, and you know what? The car sounds phenomenal, man. So that's definitely a big build. In my books, I'm loving it. We're gonna upgrade to some Neos later, but that's what it is. This Ram has kicked my rear end today, y'all. So let me explain to you what's going on. I have some JL Audio TW3s, amazing subwoofer for trucks. They're 12 inches. The problem with this truck is that this truck has these cubby hole pockets. So you have to be able to get the boxes in there. So I went back and forth everywhere. Listen guys, I was on the road today most of the day trying to make this happen for him, man. You can see that I got a ported enclosure for a Ram. Wasn't no time to build one, but I ported, and we still could have fit the sub in there. So he's trying to get more lows out, man, and we're trying to see what I can do to accommodate that. We ended up coming out with the box that's 2 8s. They're pretty much 2 full-size 8s. They run on a half cubic foot of airspace to a 0.8 in a ported box, tuned to 32 hertz. So I'm gonna try the 8 box. I still got a 10 box, but I'm trying to see what I can do to get it done. This is kind of me playing with it. This Ram is one of the most difficult cars in the market to get an audio system in, and right now I am fighting the battles of getting it done. But right now Josh is mounting up the 8s. We're gonna go in there and see how the 8s sound compared to the 10s and make our decision, man. So stay tuned if we keep on rolling, y'all. I'll get you the reveal for this beautiful, beautiful Chevelle, which I'll let y'all listen to it in a minute turned on, but also the reveal of this truck. Stay tuned. Now y'all can see more of the finished product on this car, y'all. So this is what it looks like. It's a false wall, base package, simple box, false walled, beautiful, clean, good. Now, let's see how this sounds. Let's see how this sounds now if we get a reaction from the customer, y'all. So I'm gonna turn around and get it going. In fact, I'm gonna let y'all let this car rip and turn on. And I love this thing, y'all. Look at this. American muscle at its best, y'all. I love it, y'all. Let me get the audio tuned up. Real's gonna be in the shop today looking at this car. All we can say is, damn. Damn, I love this car to death. So Trevino, we're gonna ask you on the camera, man. You came in today, it took a journey, but you're about to take your delivery. Are you happy?
Oh my God, every time I've come here, best experience.
Listen, I wanted to keep his car today. I'll try to have it leave it to me for the weekend, but it didn't happen, y'all. But you know, I love this car. Seriously, I love this car. It's a privilege for me to work on it. I do different deals for him just because I want to work on the car. I love it so much, y'all. But we want to thank you for coming by the shop, man. You know what I'm saying? Go out there, let's. I love this car.
You don't hear nothing on this video.
No,
This car loud as hell.
what happened? I love this car to death, bro. Like, I'll make my Nova like this. I'm gonna do my Nova like this. Oh! American muscle, baby boy. Go ahead, Toretto. Oh, I love it so much. This is the beast, y'all. This is the real American muscle 454. This is the beast. I love it to death, bro. Oh, let's see.
I know he's gonna do something.
Look at that cam on that car, boy.
Man, it's shocking, ain't it?
Oh, I love that thing to death. It's just hopping up and down with the cam shop. You see it?
With the cam.
But I love that, y'all. I love that sincerity, y'all. But let me get back to what we got to do here, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So we're ending this day, man. We had a successful, crazy day. And I'm not going to say crazy in a good way. I'm going to say crazy as a hectic. Maybe it was more on my fault. Maybe mindset. I don't even know what to tell y'all. But, you know what I'm saying? Right now is what? What time is it, honey? It's real late. We're after hours, man. But you know, sometimes this is what it takes, y'all. This is a hard work we have to put in to get things done. Today was a bad day for me mentally, I'm gonna say. Had too much going on. I don't know if the stress levels or what it was, y'all. But you know what? Like I said, it's part of the day, man. So at least we got the customers out and everybody's happy, and that's all we really care about is working our butts off to make people happy. But you know, it comes to another question, man. I gotta go do something for me. I need to do something to make myself happy. I gotta have a happy time. I don't know, babe, what can I do for happy time besides play with my cars? You know, that's what I love to do. Have a dinner. You know what? We can go enjoy that today, man. But I'm actually thank y'all for watching this video. Always thanking y'all for the support, man. Stay tuned. The raffle is coming and it is going to be nasty. It's been a little delayed because we had some hiccup we had to deal with on it, but I got something special and sweet. So don't forget to pay attention, man. The raffle is gonna be nasty, y'all. I'm gonna end this video today telling y'all thank y'all for watching, man. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.